Hello everyone and welcome to this class about how to implement a basic artificial intelligence in Unity using the C# language. My name is Imani Rajdoost and I will be guiding you through this tutorial. During the years, I have developed many games. Some of them are published and some of them are not. If you want to see some of the games that I have worked on, you can go to the itch.io using the link in the description section. The kind of AI we're going to look into is a real-time AI. So it's not like a game of chess or a game that is turn-based. It's a real-time game that is much harder to create an AI for. At the end of the class, you will have something like this. So in the bottom, there's the human player, and at the top is the AI. The game that we're going to create is very simple because we want to understand the basics of an AI, but the ideas are the same for much more complex games. So if you understand the basics here, you will be able to create much more complex AIs. Also, you can check out Bumble in itch.io, which is a prototype of the game we have been working on. In Bumble, I have used the same methods that I'm going to teach you in this class to implement the artificial intelligence. During the class, as I explain the code, I will also explain the theories of artificial intelligence so that you can understand how it works in the world of computers and AI. For my project, I have used Unity 2020, but you can use almost any kind of version of Unity that you want. I will also assume that you have some experience in coding, because I am not going to explain every and each line of code, so I will assume that you have some basic understanding of C# language. So if the world of video games and AI interests you, this course is for you. Let's get started.